Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking and reviewing some of BTS's skincare products and beauty products that they use, and a lot of these products are kind of little secrets because the boys aren't allowed to promote or show us these skincare products or products that they use, because if they do that, one, it gives the company free promo, like it'll actually make the product sell out and the boys won't get paid for it, and two, I just don't think their sponsors, like their company allows them to kind of tell us, because it's like not a sponsorship. They would just be giving out free promotion to those brands. But the reason how I know BTS use these particular products is because it'll either one, they'll actually use it and just not tell us the brand, or two, these products will be in the back of their videos, or like they'll use these products at airports, and fans or myself will actually zoom into the product to kind of see or try to identify the products. And I was able to identify a few of these products, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts and reviews on these products so you can see if you want to try them out, or if they're not really worth your coins and you can you can pass on it. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you want me to review or do more videos like this, because there's a ton more products that the boys use that I have not mentioned in this video, and I would love to try it out and inform you guys about it. And let's get started. So the first product, they're actually the face of this brand, and if you guys don't know, these are Mediheal sheet masks. These are basically a Korean sheet mask, and BTS are the face of the brand. And although they're the face of the brand, they genuinely use these sheet masks all the time. They always talk about it in interviews, and I think they're allowed to talk about it because they are sponsored by the brand. But there's also V-Lives where the boys will be using these sheet masks, and I read somewhere online that they actually particularly use these two. I know that they've used other ones before as well. I've seen them use other ones as well, but I know particularly these two, they've used it in the past, so I wanted to review these two sheet masks for you guys. And first of all, this is the NMF Aqua Ampoule Sheet Mask. I enjoyed this one a lot. I use it all the time. This is one of those where you can just use every single day, because the benefit or the good side of using this one is it'll help the moisture in your skin. Especially if you have dry skin, this will really help your skin because there's so much essence soaked in this mask. I use this daily just because it's like one of those where I don't need to have trouble skin to use it. It just will help the softness and help my skin feel more moisturized. I definitely recommend this. I hate like sticky masks, like sticky residues after I use a mask, but I genuinely don't feel it when I use Mediheal sheet masks. So I recommend this one. And if you have more acne prone skin and when you're breaking out, the boys have talked about this and I really like this as well. It's the Tea Tree Care Solution Mask. Tea tree is actually known to help kind of calm your skin, and I feel like this sheet mask really helps. It doesn't, like, if you have acne using this sheet mask, it doesn't help your skin magically overnight become clear, but I feel like this helps my skin when it's inflamed. It definitely helps calm down my skin a lot more. And also, if you're wondering the texture for the mask, the actual sheet mask, it's a lot thicker than the cheaper sheet mask. Like, there's other brands in Korea where the Korean sheet masks are super thin, and these are actually a little bit more thick, which I like, because when you're opening it up, it doesn't just rip in your hands. You can actually put it on your face without it tearing apart. And they are super inexpensive. You can buy them on Amazon for like a pack of 10 or 5 for like 10 bucks. Super cheap, and I would recommend, if you don't want to try these, Mediheal has a bunch of other varieties that you can try, and I honestly trust their brand and love their brand a lot. And they're honestly one of my favorite sheet mask brands. 10 out of 10, will recommend this whole entire brand to you guys, but I like these two, and these are the two ones that the boys have used. Product number 2. This next product I actually found in the back of BTS's refrigerator. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but the boys were on this variety show, specifically Jimin and Jin, where you bring your refrigerator, the company will come and take your refrigerator, and the point of the show is they will open your refrigerator to see what you have in your fridge. And in their fridge, on the side of their fridge, they had a whole bunch of skincare products. And one of the skincare products was this specific one. It's the Etude House Wonder Pore. And what this is that it is a toner, and I'm going to just shake it up to show you guys what it looks like. I like this a lot, but I don't like it as well. So let me explain to you guys. The point of this toner is to help minimize your pores. But do I think that I minimized my pores? No. I used it for a week and I didn't really see a huge difference in my pores getting smaller. But I do like it in the sense that 1, it's very inexpensive. 2, it is not oily. Like some toners will be so oily that I just don't like it. And 3, I like it as a refreshing toner. I wouldn't replace this with the toner I'm currently using, but I will use this as a touch-up or like freshening up toner, as in the sense where if it's like throughout the day I just feel like my skin is so dirty, or my skin just needs to pick me up, or if I want to apply makeup on and it's like middle of the day, I don't want to go wash my face, because if you didn't know, there is such thing as over washing your face and can actually cause you to break out if you wash and cleanse your face too much. So what I would do is, instead of cleansing my face, I will take this toner on a cotton pad, like swipe it all over my face as my pick me up toner. It will just remove the excess dirt that builds up on my skin throughout the day, and then I'll apply it on my makeup or just freshen my skin up. This toner makes my skin feel nice without having to deal with the oiliness or like the stickiness of some toners, which is why I do like it. But the main purpose of this toner is that it's supposed to help your pores. And do I feel that it helps my pores? Not really. So would I repurchase this toner again? No. If you don't really care about your pores and just wanted to try a toner that BTS use, I would say check it out because it's relatively inexpensive. But I personally wouldn't repurchase this or put it in my skincare routine. The third product is actually this one, and the boys have used a few products from this specific brand. It is the Missing Perfect Serum. It looks like this. Now this product, I don't think it makes my hair softer in a long-term effect, but short-term, where it's kind of like makeup for my hair, where it will help my hair look nice for that day, but it won't help my hair look nice every single day. Do you know what I mean? Like when you use, like for example, when you use hair treatment mask, it helps your hair become softer, and that like fueling on your hair, the condition of your hair will last for a very long time. This one, it's kind of like makeup. You apply it on, it makes your hair look pretty, but if you wash your hair, the prettiness and shine will go away. So do I like it? Absolutely, I love this. It makes my hair so soft, it makes my hair so shiny. I like to use this a lot either before my hair is dry, like when it's wet, or after. I wait for a little bit and wait for my hair to be dry, and I will put it on. But if I do use it when my hair is wet, I do have to use quite a lot. I use like 5 or 6 pumps because I do have very long hair. But if I wait till my hair is dry, I literally use like half a pump, rub my hands, and then like put it all over my hair. It's kind of the same, it gives you the same effect as if you're going to a hair salon and you're getting a haircut. And after you get the haircut, the hair salon person will like straighten your hair or curl it, just kind of style your hair. And in the end, they'll put on like this oil or this serum that just makes your hair super glossy and shiny. This product literally gives you the exact same effect, and I love it. It smells like a hair salon. So if you don't like the scents in your hair products, I would say a hard pass on this because it's a strong, strong scent. But if you don't want the scent, I actually love the scent. I think it smells very good and very expensive. I would say check it out. I really, really like this. I use this almost every single day, and I absolutely love it. It doesn't make my hair look oily. It just makes my hair feel softer and look a little bit more healthy. And it was pretty inexpensive. I don't think it's super cheap, but it wasn't super expensive either. The next products are these sugar lip balms. Well, the first one is the Sugar Advanced Therapy, and this is their just clear lip balm. It's just a clear lip balm, and Jin actually used this at the airport, and I like this lip balm a lot. Do I think it's better than the Laneige lip balm? No, but I think it is a very good lip balm. The Laneige one, its purpose is to kind of be like a nighttime mask, while this one is just supposed to be like a lip balm you can use on the daily. And I do like this a lot. It smells delicious. It smells like lemons. This particular lip balm, I feel like whenever I use it, it makes a huge difference in my lips. I feel like my lips are actually moisturized and are a lot softer. So yeah, it is expensive, but I personally do feel like it's worth it, and I will repurchase it again. Now this one, this freaking lip balm, the boys have been using it recently in a lot of their run episodes, which actually caused the lip balm to be sold out on Sephora.com. I actually had to go in store and pick up this lip balm because it was sold out online. So if you want to get it, you can't get it online, just go in store. So they probably will have it. But it is the Sugar Rose lip balm, and it has a reddish tint to it. And I feel like what's so great about this particular lip balm is that it just gives you the slightest tint without being too red, because I've used lip balms in the past where it's not moisturizing, but it has a lot of pigment in their lip balm. But this one, it just gives you the slightest tint, and it just makes your lips look like your lips, but better. Like, it makes you look healthy. It makes your lips look healthy. I'm wearing it right now without any other lip product on, just this lip balm. And on top of that, it's super, super moisturizing. It has the same effect as the Sugar Fresh Advanced Therapy, just a clear lip balm, except it's tinted. I'm going to apply some more on so you guys can see what it looks like on the lips. But it's super, super moisturizing. It's very, very light. It's a sheer wash of color. I absolutely love this so much, and I do recommend it. I would use this every single day. The fifth product, I was debating if I should mention it or not because it's such a small item, but it's the Saline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. And I believe JK was the one that actually used this, and I have been wanting to try it for so long, and I finally got it. It's like $2 at Walgreens, and it smells so good. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you guys can see the comparison between it and the fresh one. I don't really think this one has honestly any color to it. It's just a clear pink jelly. Like, it looks like it has a lot of color, but when you actually use it, it's just a clear jelly. The jelly is just pink, but when you use it, it's just clear. Like, I put it over here and you can't even see it anymore. I'll swatch it again for you guys. So you see? And then when I swatch it and you put it on your lips, the color just goes away. So the fresh lip balm actually has a tint, while this one, there's not really any color to it. It doesn't really give your lips any extra color. So the pros and cons of this product are that the pros, it's super cheap, like $2, and it smells like roses. That can be a con for you, but for me personally, it is a huge pro. It smells amazing. The cons, there are no pigments. Like, it doesn't actually give you a tint on your lips. It's just a clear lip balm. The last product I have to show you, I was actually very hesitant to bring it up because I don't know for a fact if the boys use this particular brand, but I know for a fact that they use Pimple Patches all the time. Like, especially in airport photos, you can see the boys, they'll use like one Pimple Patches here or there. And my favorite Pimple Patches of all time are the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patches. But I do know in Korea they sell pimple patches everywhere. There's pimple patches from multiple different brands, but these ones are particularly my favorite, so I'm going to show you guys these ones. But basically, these are super inexpensive. They help your acne, and what they are is that I have an open one, so I'm going to show you it. All pimple patches are honestly almost the exact same, but this is just the one that I happen to have. So it comes looking like this. I've used this already, so, and you open it. And then these are what the pimple patches look like. They're like clear little jelly stickies almost, and they have like different sizes for the different sizes of your pimple. And if you have a pimple, what you would do is do this on a face with fresh skin, like you don't have makeup on or anything, and you just kind of put it on top of your pimple and you leave it there all day, and somehow, like some magical power in this, it like sucks out the gunk of your pimple. But I will say you don't need to have a whitehead to use this. I've used this on pimples where it's not a whitehead, it's just like a big pimple, and it really helps deflate the pimple a lot. I will leave the patch on all day, and then at nighttime I'll remove it, and I can see a significantly huge difference in the size of my pimple. And I think that's one of the reasons why the boys do use it, because it really, one, does help your pimple a lot, and two, if you're not wearing makeup, I don't know how they do it, but putting this on top of your pimple, it kind of tricks the eye and makes it look like the pimple is no longer there. You can barely see these on your skin. Like, you can go outside with these and look perfectly normal, but you can't really go outside with acne cream on. Like, you will look crazy if you have like acne cream on. But with this, honestly, you can barely see it, and on top of that, it helps the look of your pimple go away. Like, you can't, it helps diminish the look of your pimple, and on top of that, it helps your actual pimple to deflate. So these are an A+ in my book. They're super cheap. Depending where you get them, they can range from $3 to $6 per pack. But there's like, in this particular brand, there's 24 patches. And I really, really like these. I 100% would recommend this to you, especially if you get like random pimples like I do. I love it. I like it. It's cheap. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you want to see more videos like these in the future. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.